Here is how to log in to your Vevox account via the PowerPoint add-in. So once you've installed the PowerPoint add-in, you will have the logo in the top right corner where it says Insert Poll Vevox. Once you click on this, you will see this right-hand side panel appear like so. And to log in, you just click Get Started. And then there's a couple of different ways to log into your account. The first one being with your email address and password, or we have the authentication code as well. So I will show you both. But to log into your account, the first way, enter your email address, and then it will ask you for your password, so just enter your password that you use to log into Vevox. Once you've done that, it will automatically take you through to your Vevox dashboard. So first step is to create your Vevox session in your dashboard. Once you've done that, come do these few steps, and then the session will appear like so. You click on the session that you want to connect to, and it will pull through anything that you have created in your Vevox session already. So I've created a couple of polls in my dashboard session already, so as you can see I have the option to insert those questions through here. I'm now going to show you how to log in via the authentication code. So if I just log out like so, again it will then take me back to the start where I can click Get Started again. And instead of entering my email address here, I'm just going to click I have an authentication code. It's just going to insert my email address, but just delete that if yours does the same, because you actually need to generate a code from your account. So to generate the code, if you go to your Vevox dashboard and head over to profile settings here on the left hand side, you will see this title that says authentication and Vevox add-in authentication, where it says generate code. Here is what you need to click, and this will generate your code for you to copy. Head back over to PowerPoint and paste that authentication code in there like so. Click continue. That's just going to ask me if I want to save that, as it's recognising it as a password on my computer. I'm just going to click no. But once you've added the authentication code, you can then connect it again to your session in your dashboard like I did before. Hope you found this video useful. Please get in touch if you have any questions.